Hey guys, I hope you are all doing very well. And I'm Aman Poddar, and as you can see, I have cleared RRBPO exam this year, and the bank which I have been allotted is Uttar Bihar Gramin Bank, as you can see here. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to prepare for IBPS PO and Clerk Mains exam, which is going to be held very soon if the exams are not delayed. And as there is a lot of anxiety between the students regarding the marks and the result status of IBPS PO prelims and clerk prelims, and which is of course delayed a bit, but we can expect the result anytime in this week, most probably in the end of the week. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to prepare without using any paid course. All of these are totally free, and by using this, all the things that I tell you, you can score very well in the exam. And I'll also tell you about how you can appear in mock tests, which is also free of cost. So let us first start with reasoning. And for reasoning, you can simply go to YouTube and you can search this in your YouTube search column, that is Virtuous Mains Reasoning, and this is a very good channel, and you can follow this class which happens every day. And in this class, Mr. Dhruv sir teaches you about various topics. And, some days it's about puzzles, and some days it's about miscellaneous. And you can use this. I mean, it's a very good thing. And some days he also tells you how to attempt mock tests, and in a very dynamic way. That is, he does that and he lets you know line by line how you can filter out questions and how you can see the whole question paper first and then choose the questions really that you can attempt. And I hope you all are knowing that you cannot attempt each and every question in the mains exam. That is not possible. So, yeah, you have to do only a fair share of questions. You have to attempt all the miscellaneous questions first in the first attempt when you are scanning the whole question of that section. And after that, you look for the puzzles that are easy ones, that are the doable ones. So, yes, we have covered the reasoning part. And for a quant part, I have already told you about in my earlier video that I used to follow Mr. Ashish Arora, and he has also launched a source that is really good. And you can go to this YouTube channel wherein you will find the videos that he uploads and also this PDF question bundle that you can use, and I'll also give the link in the description box. Now you can see that this has all the questions in the format that is being asked in the exam. The first section is arithmetic section and the second is DI section. Now you can see there are many questions. These are the number series questions that comes in both IBPS PU and clerk exams. And these questions are prevalent if you can look up to the previous year questions of last 2 or 3 years. So yeah, this is the source for quant. And now we comes to general awareness. So as I have mentioned in my earlier video that this is the source that I used to follow. I also gave the link, and I'll also give the link in this one also. Uh, this is the BPedia, monthly BPedia capsule of iExamB. This is very crisp and all the important news is being covered here. This is for the month of September. You can find for now up until the month of November. The December one would be updated very soon. So you can see it has been categorized very neatly into finance and banking, which is the most important part for your GA section because approximately 20 questions have been asked from this section. And then there is the economy section in which you can find the GDP projections from various institutes like what is the GDP projection of India as given by World Bank or IMF, news like this. And this is the national section, which is also important. Uh, there are very few questions asked from international section, and yes, we do have questions from reports and indices, and this is an important section. And if you want, you can give a light bit of reading to this science and technology and agriculture and rural development. Again, defense and event section becomes important because we have seen question over the years from these sections, and the rest sections are appointments, awards, important days, obituaries, books, And yes, sports, of course. This year alone, in SBI PO, we have seen a good number of questions from sports section. So yes, I'll give the link, and you can see the interface here. If you want to see, if it is good or not, it's very crisp. And the most important section, I'll tell you about what to study, and the most number of questions are asked from here. Yes, this is the column. They summarize everything that financial institutions and banks, all the products they release, and all the relevant news they have. You can see the news from Karnataka Bank and LIC, and again DBS Bank, NPCI, whole lot of things here. Okay, and if you want to give a little bit more emphasis, uh, you know, after this also, then the next source you can follow for finance current affairs is from here. The channel on YouTube is Anuj Jindal, and this is their RBI 247 module. Okay, this is released every 2 or 3 days when they have sufficient news, and there is a video on YouTube, and after that in their channel this PDF sort of thing is uploaded, and you can find like this, you know in the question format. There's question, there is answer, and there is this explanation about that. I'll also link this in the description box. And the next one is quant. Okay, no, I think we have covered quant. We have covered quant, we have covered reasoning, we have covered general awareness. Now the remaining section is the English part and the descriptive English part. So yes, for the English part, you can use some mobile applications that you find in Play Store, where you can increase your vocabulary, and to increase your comprehension skills, you should just read editorials every day. That would really help. And the next is descriptive writing. For that, you can go to the website grammarly.com. You can write something. I have written this just like 10 minutes back, and you can see your overall score. You can adjust your goals from here. uh, yeah, it's saying that it's looking good. The clarity is very clear, and it's very bland according to them. So yes, you can write in there, and it will tell you how to improve. No need to buy premium subscription. I mean, of course you can if you want to, but I'll quickly, try to write something so that this becomes clear. Like, say this is a letter again to the bank manager. You can write like this. You can see as I'm writing in between, they have pointed out that I have wrote something wrong. So you can see and you can correct it, and like this, you can keep writing and you can practice to write a letter and many things. So yes, I think we have covered a whole lot of things, and if you want to know anything else, you can comment, and I'll try to make a video on that. Okay, thank you.